Okay, students, let us start the class. So yesterday we have discussed about skew lines. So basically, if I try to summarize, given any two lines, so we need to check for three things. Number one, are they parallel? How do you check? If it is like a1 plus lambda b1, and second line is r bar equal to a2 plus lambda b2. If they are parallel, implies b1 bar should be some t times b2 bar for some scalar t. Or if they give you in symmetric form, x minus x1 by a1 is y minus y1 by b1 is z minus z1 by c1, and other line is x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2 is z minus z2 by c2. If they are parallel, implies the ratio should be same, right? A1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, which is same as saying this vector is lambda times this dr vector. dr1 is lambda times dr2. Okay, if not, are they intersecting in 3D? Are they intersecting? That is the second question. That is, are they coplanar? Effectively, we are asking this. That is case number 2. So, in this case also, we have seen r bar equal to a1 plus lambda b1, r bar equal to a2 plus lambda b2, coplanar or intersecting. Basically, intersecting implies coplanarity. Okay, so I should write like that. Intersecting implies coplanar, implies, yesterday we have seen box of a2 minus a1 fixed points difference b1 bar b2 bar should be equal to 0. The same thing in the case of lines x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1 is z minus z1 by c1, and x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2. Lines are intersecting if similar det is 0. That is difference between fixed points. Difference between fixed points. A2 minus sorry, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and dr1, dr2, a2, b2, c2. This det should be equal to 0. If 1 and 2 are not satisfied, that is, lines are neither parallel nor intersecting, then we can conclude that they are skew lines. In which case, this det is not equal to 0, as well as this condition is also not valid. Then if there are two skew lines, so given two skew lines, how to find shortest distance between them? Number one, SD between them, shortest distance. Number two is very rarely asked, the line of SD equation. So these are our main discussion for today. Suppose this is one skew line, r bar equal to a1 bar plus lambda b1 bar, and there is another skew line r bar equal to a2 plus lambda b2, or skew lines which automatically implies, one more time I'm writing, b1 bar not equal to t into b2 bar, and the box a2 minus a1 b1 b2 is also not equal to 0. Then how to find SD? Suppose this point is the point with position vector a2 and this point is the point with position vector a1. So if you visualize, it's like, imagine there is one thread like this, okay, कपड़े सुखाने वाला रस्सी है और नीचे एक और ऐसे फ्लोर पर एक और रस्सी है. This is one line, this is another line. The shortest distance, if you visualize, might be somewhere around here. Suppose this point is P dash, this point is Q dash. So clearly, the shortest distance P dash Q dash is perpendicular to both the lines. Both the lines implies P dash Q dash is parallel to this line direction cross that line direction. But this line is parallel to B2 bar, that line is parallel to B1 bar. So this must be parallel to their cross product B1 cross B2. Therefore, very clearly if we join these 2 points PQ, okay, so our P dash Q dash is nothing but I can say length of projection of PQ along B1 cross B2. It is as simple as that, right? So there is this perpendicular distance, which is the shortest distance between the two lines. And if you want the length alone, so you can visualize that has to be the projection of this one along this vector, and this vector is parallel to B1 cross B2. Therefore, we use directly length of projection formula. Length of projection of PQ, that is A2 minus A1 bar along this vector B1 cross B2. And if you remember length of projection, that is nothing but A along B. A is this dot with unit vector B1 cross B2 by mod B1 cross B2. This is nothing but box of A2 minus A1 B1 B2 by mod B1 cross B2. All are vectors. So as you can see clearly, this is the shortest distance between skew lines. Very important formula. Please remember this. Clearly, when will SD become 0? When will SD become 0? Can you answer? When will the shortest distance between the lines become 0? यहाँ कोई शो नहीं चल रहा है. दो लाइंस के बीच में शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस कब 0 होता है?
Intersecting lines.
So when this condition is 0, obviously lines are intersecting. So this is a very important expression. It has been many years before which they asked a question on shortest distance in advanced. So they can ask you this time. So it's after all projection of the difference between the fixed points along B1 cross B2. Right? So we'll repeat the same thing in Cartesian version. Suppose skew lines are, so it's like I am teaching the same thing in English medium and Telugu medium, something like that. First I taught in vectors, now I'll be doing the same thing, exactly same thing in Cartesian 3D. Suppose these are skew lines. Okay, so this is same x1, y1, z1. One fixed point, call it as A. Another fixed point, call it as this. Projection of this along, say somewhere here. If you extend, maybe here you will get that A dash B dash SD. SD equal to A dash B dash. This is the point B. This is A, this is B. Projection of AB along A dash B dash is equal to projection of AB along A dash B dash. So that is clearly you use the vector version only. So A2 minus A1 B1 B2 box. Only for this one I recommend vector version to be used. A2 minus A1, as you can see, X2 minus X1, Y2 minus Y1, Z2 minus Z1. B1 B2 box means this direction vector A1 B1 C1 dr, and this direction A2 B2 C2 dr. So A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 divided by mod B1 cross B2, that is ijk, mod B1 cross B2. If you want to evaluate separately, that is like ijk, and it's like A1 B1 C1, it's like A2 B2 C2. So that comes out to be under root over sigma B1 C2 minus B2 C1 whole square. So under root over sigma A1 B2 minus A2 B1 whole square, and I will say cyclic. You need not remember this, just remember only the vector version, okay, and you know how to convert vector to 3D. Fine. So that is how you find the shortest distance between two skew lines. Okay. Going forward further, suppose let me give you one example. So fine. Can you do it and tell me? SD between lines x minus 1 by 2 is y minus 2 by 3 is z minus 3 by 4, and x minus 2 by 3 y minus 4 by 4 is z minus 5 by 5. So first of all, you draw the line. This is the fixed point A, 1, 2, 3. This is say fixed point B, or let me write at some angle so that you can visualize easily. Okay, so this basically is the SD. I can't show you. You have to imagine. Okay, if I have two pens, I can show you, but I'm at home. You can understand, right? This is ये ऊपर है, ये नीचे है, तो ये जो perpendicular drop किया आपने A dash B dash, that is your SD, and this line is basically going like this below. ये floor पर है, and ये ऊपर है. Okay, so yeah, the second point is 2, 4, 5, and DR1 if you see 2, 3, 4. This is a B1 bar kind of, and B2 bar equal to 3, 4, 5. So SD directly equal to, remember only this formula, A2 minus A1 B1 B2 box by mod of B1 cross B2. So that is equal to det of A2 minus A1, difference in the fixed point AB. This is like A2, this is like A1. 2 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 3, and the B1 B2 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 5 by ijk 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. That's all. So that is equal to 1 into 15 minus 16 minus 1 minus 2 into 10 minus 12 minus 2 plus 2 into 8 minus 9 minus 1 divided by the same thing, I into minus 1 minus j into minus 2 plus k into minus 1 mod. Mod, of course, if it is negative. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 upon 1, 2, 1, root 6. Therefore, SD equal to 1 by root 6. And now suppose in the same question, if he asks also to find equation to line of shortest distance, that is, this I will do in Cartesian than in vectors, thereby give SD. Okay, then in that case it's better to follow this method. In this method you need not remember any formula. SD is actually somewhere here. Okay, A dash B dash, that is the SD. And suppose this line is x minus x1 by a1 is y minus y1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1. And this line is x minus x2 by a2 equal to y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2. All we are going to use is one thing, that the a dash b dash equal to sd or line of sd, whatever you call it. Okay, so that is mutually perpendicular, or it is perpendicular to both, lines. So what we can do is that by equating to lambda, equating to, for example, mu, we can get a dash. So a dash will be a1 lambda plus x1, b1 lambda plus y1, c1 lambda plus z1. This is a different method. B dash a2 mu plus x2 b2 mu plus y2 c2 mu plus z2. This is a dash b dash. Now a dash b dash drs is nothing but this minus that, a2 mu plus x2 minus a1 lambda minus x1, b2 mu plus y2 minus b1 lambda minus y1, c2 mu plus z2 minus c1 mu lambda minus z1. Okay, now since it is perpendicular to both the lines, a dash b dash is parallel to b1 cross b2. Individually you can take dot product, but in one step if you want to finish, you take the b1 cross b2 ijk, and it is a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. So that is going to be b1 c2 minus b2 c1. जनरल सिंबल में थोड़ा ज्यादा मतलब लेंथी लगता है, बट इतना लेंथी नहीं है. c1 a2 minus c2 a1 plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now what to do? Call it as equation 1, the drs. Call it as equation 2. 1 and 2 represent same drs. Yes or no? It's parallel to b1 cross b2. Using this, you got this. And by taking general point on this, you got this. So 1 and 2 represents same drs or parallel drs. So they must be in same proportion basically. So you get a2 mu plus x2 minus a1 lambda minus x1 divided by this component over here, b1 c2 minus b2 c1. That should be equal to b2 mu plus y2 minus b1 lambda minus y1 by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, and that is equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1 c2 mu plus z2 z1. So solve and get lambda and mu. Then we got points a dash and b dash. Now if you want vector equation, so vector equation of line passing through a dash say alpha bar, b dash say beta bar is alpha bar plus lambda into beta bar minus alpha bar. Cartesian equation if you want. Of line of SD. So it's like, you may assume this as, for example, alpha 1 beta 1 gamma 1 alpha 2 beta 2 gamma 2. So x minus alpha 1 by alpha 2 minus alpha 1 is y minus beta 1 by beta 2 minus beta 1 equal to z minus gamma 1 by gamma 2 minus gamma. Okay, so let us repeat that for this problem. We found the SD, right? Let us repeat that here. Q line of SD also SD between skew lines x minus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 2 by 3 equal to z minus 3 by 4. X minus 2 by 3 is y minus 4 by 4 is z minus 5 by 5. One art that you should know is converting back and forth. If I ask you, can you convert this into vector version? You should be comfortable. Can you tell me what is this as a vector? This line in vector form. सोहेल बताओ इस लाइन को वेक्टर में कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे?
तो पहले लैम्डा मान के को
हाँ
लैम्डा से इक्वेट करूंगा पहले, फिर 2 लैम्डा प्लस 1
जरूरत
एक्स
नहीं
आई
है ना,
कैप ऐसा करके।
ये तो समझ रहे हैं आ रहा है कि दिस लाइन पासेस थ्रू विच पॉइंट 1, 2, 3 and parallel to which dr. This is like b bar, this is like a bar, passing through a point parallel to some vector a bar plus lambda b bar. So that is 1, 2, 3 plus lambda into 2, 3, 4. In other words, it's like 1 plus 2 lambda into I cap plus 2 plus 3 lambda into j cap plus 3 plus 4 lambda into k cap. That is your vector equation of the line. Similarly, if I give you r bar equal to I plus j plus lambda into I minus j plus k line, इसको आप वेक्टर में कन्वर्ट करो, सॉरी 3D में कन्वर्ट करो. Line in 3D Cartesian. So basically it is passing through 1, 1, 0 and is parallel to 1 minus 1, 1. That means x minus 1 ये point है, point on line, drs of line. खत्म हुआ. X minus 1 by 1 is y minus 1 by minus 1 is z minus 0 by 1. Then only you can play with both the topics together. Okay, coming back to the story of finding line of SD. The first one was x minus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 2 by 3 equal to z minus 3 by 4 equal to lambda करेंगे तो मेरे को ये मिलेगा और ये मान लो a डैश इधर है b डैश इधर है, ये इधर b है. ठीक है, तो a I can assume 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda plus 3. Similarly b, ये लाइन क्या होगा x minus 2 by 3, इसको t मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल, तो b आपको मिलेगा 3t plus 2, 4t plus 4 and 5t plus 5. So ab drs you can get b minus a which is 3t minus 2 lambda plus 1, 4t minus 3 lambda plus 4 minus 2, 5t minus 4 lambda plus 2. और बात करें इस b ये लाइन वाला dr1 is 2, 3, 4 and ये लाइन का dr2 equal to 3, 4, 5. That is my b1 bar, this is my b2 bar. So b1 cross b2 because ab is parallel to b1 cross b2, so I need to find that. So ijk dr1 2, 3, 4, dr2 3, 4, 5. So that is equal to I into 15 minus 16 minus j into 10 minus 12 minus 2 plus k into 8 minus 9 minus 1, which is minus 1, 2, minus 1. So basically the number 1, number 2 both are same line dr, so 1 and 2 same or parallel, whatever you call it, parallel lines dr. So they must be in same proportion. So therefore what you see is that 3t minus 2 lambda plus 1 divided by this component over here minus 1 should be equal to 4t minus 3 lambda plus 2 divided by 2 equal to 5t minus 4 lambda plus 2 divided by minus 1. Cross multiply, you get 6t minus 4 lambda plus 2 is 3 lambda minus 4t minus 2. So 7 lambda minus 10t equal to 4. Second equation, 3 lambda minus 4t minus 2 equal to 10t minus 8 lambda plus 4. 14t minus 11 lambda plus 6 equal to 0. Solve these two. Eliminate lambda. 10t plus 4 by 7 equal to 14t plus 6 by 11. Cross multiply. 110t don't expect that you always get simple numbers. Okay, you will get big numbers also in SD. 90, 80 plus 42. So the t equal to minus 2 by 110 minus 92, 12, right? Minus 1 by 6. So lambda equal to 10t minus 10 by 6 plus 4 by 7, 24, 14, 1 by 3. So lambda equal to 1 by 3, t equal to minus 1 by 6. We got both the points. Therefore, my pointer A dash. In fact, this was A dash, right? This was B dash. Okay, so A dash, B dash, A dash, B dash. So my A dash is 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda plus 3. So 2 lambda plus 1, 2 lambda plus 1, that is 2 by 3 plus 1, 5 by 3. Then 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda plus 2, 3 lambda plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3. 4 lambda plus 3, 4 by 3, 3. 13 by 3, right? And B dash will be 3t plus 2, 4t plus 4. 3t minus 1 by 2 plus 2, 3 by 2. 4t plus 4, 4t minus 2 by 3, 4 minus 2 by 3, 10 by 3. And 5t plus 5. 5 minus 5 by 6, 25 by 6. Therefore, SD is nothing but distance between A dash B dash. That is root over 5 by 3 minus 3 by 2 the whole square plus 3 minus 10 by 3 the whole square plus 26 by 6 minus 25 by 6 the whole square. This is equal to 10 minus 9, 1 by 6 whole square, 1 by 36 plus. So, okay, let's continue. So, therefore, what we got there was A dash, and we got lambda equal to 1 by 3, t equal to minus 1 by 6, and my A dash was 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda plus 3, and my B dash was 3t plus 2, 3t plus 2, 4t plus 4, 5t plus 5, and t we got. Okay. So A dash we got as 2 lambda plus 1, 5 by 3, and 3 lambda plus 2, 3, 4 lambda, 4 by 3 plus 3, 13 by 3. And the B dash 3t plus 2, 2 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 4t plus 4, minus 4 by 6, minus 2 by 3, 4 minus 2 by 3, 10 by 3, 5t plus 5, 5 minus 5 by 6, 25 by 6. So I said SD is nothing but distance between A dash and B dash. So that we are calculating 5 by 3 minus 3 by 2 the whole square plus 3 minus 10 by 3 the whole square plus 13 by 3 minus 25 by 6 the whole square, which is 1 by 36 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 36. So that is like 1 by 18 plus 2 by 18, 3 by 18, 1 by root 6. Exactly same as we got before. Also, equation to line of SD is drs of A dash B dash पहले निकालो. So that is 3 by 2 minus 5 by 3, 10 by 3 minus 3, 25 by 6 minus 13 by 3. They are like 9 minus 10 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Multiply by 6 to make them integers. So therefore, I can write it as x minus 5 by 3, for example, by minus 1 is 5, y minus 3 by 2 equal to z minus 13 by 3 by minus 1. Or you can also take this as a reference point and can write vector equation of line of SD. I will write by taking second point as the reference, just to show you a different relation. That's all. 3 by 2 I cap plus 10 by 3 j cap plus 25 by 6 k cap passing through this point plus lambda into parallel to this vector dr minus I plus 2j minus k. That is how you find not only shortest distance but also equation to the line of shortest distance. So let us do a simple problem. You have to answer now. Suppose a square paper is there of side L is folded along the diagonal so that one corner goes above the plane of paper, which you can imagine as shown in figure. Suppose I'll take this as A, B, C, D. This is my diagonal. ओके यहाँ पकड़ के इसको ऐसे फोल्ड किया ताकि ये B जो है, तो आई कांट शो यू, विजुअलाइज करो, B डैश बन गया. B डैश इज आउट ऑफ द प्लेन, आउट ऑफ प्लेन ऑफ ABCD. तो फाइंड शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन, इसमें स्क्यू लेंस क्या दिख रहा है आपको? Can you tell me any two skew lines? When you fold this across the diagonal,
A B dash C D.
B C A D.
B dash C.
B dash C and AD, for example, AD and B dash C lines बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो इसका आंसर मेरे हिसाब से क्या है? डायगोनल बाई √3. ऐसा ऐड करो. Answer is always diagonal by √3. That is A into √2/3. We'll prove it. It's a very standard question. The question will be more interesting. Instead of square paper, you take a rectangular paper. That is more fun. So anyway, this is the standard one. We'll do it. So what we are going to do is, I'll fix the coordinate system. Where I'll fix B is not comfortable for me. I'll take B. Okay, fine, no problem. So I'll fix 0, 0, 0 here. This is my x-axis AB. This is my y-axis AD. Z-axis is perpendicular to the plane. So B is, ये मोड साइड लेंथ कितना है? L दिया है. L. अच्छा, ये नहीं L. Okay. Okay. So this is going to be L00. Okay. So now this is going to be, you moved in the direction of y by L units. We are still in this plane only. And this is going to be LL0. What will be the coordinates of B dash? That is the task number 1. X unit. B dash will be, if I drop a perpendicular from B dash, that would exactly meet somewhere here. Yes? This is like perpendicular, M. So it's like MB dash. First you find M coordinates lifted by how many units? This much unit, which is half the diagonal. Can you see it? B dash will be vertically above M. So X coordinate of M. Okay, let's continue the problem. This was like square paper, ABCD, and I have folded. This is my B dash whose perpendicular is M. So we were assigning coordinates by taking this as x-axis, this as y-axis. So length is L, and this is like L, 0, 0, lift by L units in the y direction, and reduce x by L units. Okay. So clearly the coordinates of M will be this x coordinate, which is half the length. This is the y coordinate, which is again half the length. Z coordinate is 0. So B dash is vertically above M. So M coordinates will be L by 2 lift by some units in Z. How many units you know? MB dash is exactly equal to MB, which is equal to L by root 2. डायगोनल में आधा है ना? Therefore मुझे क्या चाहिए? SD between क्या दिया था मैंने? AD and CB dash. AD line I'll write in vector form. A bar 0 bar plus lambda into D minus A 0 L 0. That is equal to simply lambda into L into J cap. L into J cap. Lambda into L J cap. That would be better. Okay. And B dash C, which is, so B dash L by 2, this is my B dash, L by 2, L by 2, L by root 2 plus some lambda into C minus B dash, L minus L by 2, L minus L by 2 minus L by root 2. Okay, so this is like A1 bar plus lambda into B1 bar. This is like A2 bar plus lambda into B2 bar. So SD equal to box of A2 minus A1 B1 B2 by mod B1 cross B2. You have to remember this formula, Satya. A2 minus A1. A1 तो 0 है, तो L by 2, L by 2, L by root 2. A2 minus A1. B1 B2. B1 0, L0, B2. L by 2, L by 2 minus L by root 2. Box divided by 0 L0 cross L by 2, L by 2 minus L by root 2 mod, and entire mod is this. So let's simplify this. So that is nothing but L by 2, L by 2, L by root 2 box. First vector, second vector 0 L0, and third vector L by 2, L by 2 minus L by root 2 divided by IJK 0 L0, L by 2, L by 2 minus L by root 2. That is equal to L by 2 into minus L square by root 2 minus L by 2 into 0 plus L by root 2 into minus L square by 2 by I into minus L square by root 2 minus J into 0 plus K into minus L square by 2 mod. So that is equal to L into L minus L cube by 2 root 2. This is 0 minus L cube by 2 root 2. So into 2 divided by minus I L square by root 2 minus K L square by 2 mod. So you can see this is, okay, cancel L square, L by root 2 mod, L square भी गया, minus I by root 2 minus K by 2 mod. That is L by root 2 divided by root over 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. 2 by 4, 3 by 4, root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3 into L by root 2. The easiest way to remember is L root 2 is the length of diagonal by root 3. JEE मेंस में भी उसने ये क्वेश्चन दिया है, ठीक है? So this is how you apply this formula. And if you see the latest ones, Prove that shortest distance between diagonals, ये भी बहुत important question है, of a rectangular paralleloparallelepiped whose sides are ABC is given by, you prove any one result, others will follow symmetrically. BC by root over B square plus C square, CA by root over C square plus A square, AB by root over A square plus B square. Rectangular parallelepiped. Take a rectangle, one more rectangle. Basically, it's a compressed cube, we can say, elongated cube. Join them. Yeah. So this is your x-axis. Keep origin here. Say this unit is A 0 0. This unit is B 0 B 0, and this unit is C 0 0 C. Now you bring this by A units, so A0C. You lift by B units, ABC. And you are going this way, means you are increasing or decreasing. You are coming back. So this direction you are Z decreasing, so AB0. You got all the corners. Give them some name. O, A, B, C, O dash, A dash, B dash, C dash. Okay, what you want? SD between diagonals. So obviously they have to be in different planes. So if I take, let's find out SD between, tell me two diagonals. One I will take this face, OB and OB dash, they will obviously intersect. They should not intersect. One in this plane, for example,
OB, OA dash A.
A dash B I will take. One I will take A dash B. Can you give me another one such that it's in a different plane?
AC.
A dash B. A C. Yes, AC. And for example, AC. Okay, so A dash B. Edges which do not meet the diagonal words. Okay. Basically, edges which do not meet the diagonal, you can take like that. That is the trick. Don't take from them. You leave them. Don't take this one, and this one. He could have taken OA also. That should not be a problem. Okay, so A dash B and AC. So A dash B line, if I write, R bar equal to passing through A dash. A dash is AB0 plus lambda into B minus A dash. B minus A dash. 0 minus B C. AC line R bar equal to passing through A plus lambda into C minus A. 0 minus A, 0 minus 0 C. So SD formula you can apply. So this is like A1 bar, this is like B1 bar, this is like A2 bar, this is like B2 bar. Box of A2 minus A1, B1 B2 by mod B1 cross B2. So A2 minus A1, that is det of A2 minus A1, you can see is A minus A, 0 minus B 0. And dr1 dr2, 0 minus BC minus A 0 C. Okay, by IJK 0 minus BC minus A 0 C. And obviously it's plus minus A into minus BC by plus, okay, this is different, I into minus BC minus J into AC plus K into AB mod. That is equal to ABC by A square B square A square C square, B square C square.
माइनस ए भी आएगा
Minus
सर के इंटू माइनस ए बी
A into minus A. ये रखो वेस्ट का हाँ सिमेट्री नहीं मिल रहा है, मैं वो देख रहा हूँ। और प्लस से भी हो माइनस से भी तो क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है तुम लोग। सिमेट्री क्यों डिस्टर्ब हुआ? वैसे ए जीरो माइनस बी। अच्छा problem is in the denominator. How come? dr1 dr2 a dash b dr is 0 minus bc, and we choose ac. ac dr is minus a 0 c. Yes, it should come then. OF and BD this fellow has taken. Main body diagonally has taken OF and BD. The pineapple kinda. A2 minus A1 if I do 0 minus B0, 0 minus B0, okay, and 0 minus BC, okay, and minus A 0 C, okay, and denominator if you see B1 cross B2, 0 minus BC minus A 0 C, yes. Why this is not matching then? This is the extra thing that is creating disturbance. Prove that the shortest distance between diagonals of a rectangular. Okay. There is, the question is not clear. Diagonals of a rectangle, whose sides? No. There is some more description here. The ABC and the edges not meeting it are. So does it make a difference for my problem? We have taken A dash B. A dash B is A dash B. This I have taken. This is the diagonal. And what is the edge which is not meeting this diagonal? Diagonal I have taken was AC. Is it meeting this edge? No. 0 0 A 0 0 పైకి లేపితే AB 0 తీసుకొస్తే ABC కిందకి పడేస్తే Z 0 అవుతుంది. అరే something is wrong between B dash and B ra. No. That is correct. That is correct only. I have taken this X, that Y is this Z. A dash B I have taken, so not meeting means what? Two ends are there, they should not have a contact with them, with this particular edge. AC edge is here. I should not take O dash A dash, A dash B dash, A dash A I should not take. Only those are meeting there, and here I should not take this and BC I should not take. I can very well take AC, that's not a problem. A minus B 0. AC this I've taken AC and A dash B. x y z z x. Okay. Z2 తీసుకొచ్చాము. This corner should be z extended, right? 0 BC. Uplifted by b. Okay, downlifted by b. Okay. All are settled. A dash b. This fellow has taken OF and BD.
सर
Yeah.
शायद क्वेश्चन में दो डायगोनल्स नहीं लेनी है, एक एज लेनी है और एक डायगोनल लेनी है.
हाँ, yes. Shortest distance between diagonal of a rectangular parallelepiped and edge. तो मैंने क्या लिया फिर? एक एज जो इस डायगोनल को नहीं मीट करेगा, तो मैंने क्या लिया? दूसरे वाला ए डैश बी लिया, डायगोनल है, तो मुझे एक एज लेना है जो ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, एंड ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है. तो मुझे वो ये लेना है, वो ये ले सकते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल, और वो सी ले सकते हैं. मैंने क्या लिया? ये सी लिया. अच्छा, ये सी भी डायगोनल है, सॉरी. तो मुझे लेना है एज. एज मतलब क्या लेंगे फिर? ये वो ले सकते हैं, ये वो फॉर एग्जाम्पल. हाँ, तो अभी तुमको समझ में आ रहा? ओके, तो ए वो का लाइन लिखेंगे आर बार इक्वल टू ये 0 प्लस लैम्डा into minus e 0 0. So this is your a2 bar and this is your b2 bar. So a2 minus a1 is 0 minus b 0. So 0 minus b 0 and b1 b2 0 minus bc and minus a 0 0 by ijk. अब आएगा. Okay, one diagonal and an edge not meeting it. Plus minus a into bc minus bc, that is abc by I into 0 minus j into ac plus k into minus ab. Kuldeep has great observation. वहाँ minus ab था.
सर सत्यम था.
अरे गधा. I am not praising. I am scolding Kuldeep. जो बोला वहाँ minus था. Okay, so you take similar combination, then you will get the other expression. So that's not a problem. Okay. So that is about lines 9. There is nothing else here. Conditions for intersecting, conditions for the skew lines, or finding shortest distance. That is all. Or finding regular problem, finding foot of the perpendicular images, etc. etc. तो एक छोटा सा पार्ट है स्फीयर का, वो भी बता देता हूँ. तो बचेगा प्लेन ही, है ना. स्फीयर असल में आईआईटी में नहीं है, लेकिन जे ट्रिपल में पुराना मेंस में पूछा था. एक छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट है वो भी. तो स्फीयर क्या होता है? 3D वर्जन ऑफ सर्किल मान सकते हैं, है ना. तो इसके लिए मतलब एक सेंटर रहेगा x0 y0 z0, एक रेडियस रहेगी, जनरल पॉइंट xyz ले लो. तो इक्वेशन ऑफ स्फीयर क्या होगा? सर्किल को 3D में एक्सटेंड कर दो. x minus x0 whole square, y minus y0 whole square, z minus z0 whole square equal to r square. ठीक है. So very clearly general equation is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x x0 minus 2y y0 minus 2z z0 plus बाकी सारे कहानी अब सर्किल्स में कैसा था वैसा ही होगा. That is general equation of circle or sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus hz plus c equal to 0. Then center equal to x coefficient by minus 2 minus g minus f and minus h. Okay. एंड रेडियस जैसे सर्किल में वहां लिखा था वही वाला है, जी स्क्वायर एफ स्क्वायर, एक एडिशनल एच स्क्वायर माइनस सी। तो वैसा करके आप निकाल सकते हो। ठीक है, तो वेक्टर इक्वेशन क्या होगा फिर? वेक्टर इक्वेशन ऑफ स्फीयर, जनरल पॉइंट r bar, फिक्स्ड पॉइंट सेंटर c bar, रेडियस r, mod of r bar minus c bar equal to r, square it, r bar square plus c bar square minus 2 r bar dot c bar equal to r square is vector equation of sphere। इसमें मेजरली क्या पूछता है कि कंसिडर द प्लेन, जैसे सर्किल्स में आपको याद है position of a line and a circle, is it tangent, is it cutting, like that। circle versus line wala discussion in 2D, can you extend that in 3D? What will be the discussion now going to be? सर्किल क्या होता है अभी? स्फीयर वर्सेस वहां लाइन, 3D में क्या होगा?
प्लेन।
प्लेन
इन 3D। तो एक स्फीयर आपको दिया जाता है और एक प्लेन भी दिया जाता है, तो we need to decide is plane tangent or intersecting or cutting or stays outside of sphere। जैसे उसमें आपने ये डिसाइड किया था यहाँ से डिस्टेंस निकाल के, इसमें भी वही कर सकते हो। तो मैं हमेशा वाटरमेलन को क्या बोलते हैं? तरबूजा, तरबूजा का एग्जांपल देता हूँ, या फिर नारियल पानी। नारियल पानी आप बाहर जाके पियोगे, वो कैसा काटेगा नारियल को? ऐसे। So this is like a plane and this is like a sphere। ऊपर जो सेक्शन बनेगा when they intersect, what is that? क्या बनेगा? इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ प्लेन एंड स्फीयर। हाँ, नारियल पानी कभी पिया नहीं क्या? दोनों पोता ऊपर से ऐसे काटेगा तो ऊपर क्या बनेगा?
सर्कल।
सर्कल। तो इस आदमी को उस सर्किल का सेंटर और रेडियस चाहिए, वो फेमस क्वेश्चन था। So case 1, if plane cuts sphere, then first of all, what is the condition? When can it cut? Center of sphere, calculate the perpendicular distance from center C of sphere to plane, suppose equal to P, and the radius equal to R. This distance equal to P. So very clearly, as you can see, if P less than R, then plane cuts sphere and surface of intersection is circle। सेंटर ऑफ सर्किल ये कैसा आएगा? रेडियस ऑफ सर्किल ये कैसा आएगा? How do you find center of circle? You have been given the plane equation r dot n equal to some lambda, sphere equation mod r minus c equal to r। डिस्टेंस निकालने वाला मैं प्लेन में वैसे बताऊंगा, ठीक है? आप लॉजिकल आइडिया बताओ, सेंटर ऑफ सर्किल कैसा आएगा, या फिर इसको डिग्रेड करो 2D में। डिग्रेड करो 2D में। सर्किल एक पॉइंट होगा, स्फीयर सर्किल होगा, प्लेन लाइन होगा, लाइन जाके इसको कट किया, मुझे ये पॉइंट चाहिए। That is nothing but foot of perpendicular from center onto the line। Okay, so when it cuts, basically the center of circle is nothing but foot of perpendicular from center of sphere ये भी मैं प्लेन में बताऊंगा. इट्स एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन ऑफ 2D लाइन ओनली. लाइन में फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर फॉर्मूला कैसे यूज करते हो उसी में एक और एक्सटेंशन डालेंगे बस. वो प्लेन में बताऊंगा. टू प्लेन. तो रेडियस ऑफ द सर्किल that is nothing but root over r square minus p square. Condition 1. Condition 2. If plane is tangent, tangent to sphere, implies p equal to r. ऐसा होगा. ये है point of contact. So point of contact is again foot of perpendicular from center of the sphere to plane. Plane equation is r dot n equal to p. जैसे आपने 2D में x plus by equal to c लाइन लिखा है in 2D. 3D में कैसा होगा? इट्स लाइक लाइन पे लाइन आप पाइल अप करते जाओ. तो बेसिकली यू आर पुटिंग द लाइंस इन y डायरेक्शन. तो सम dz equal to some constant. This will be plane in 3D. That's all. Okay. So yeah. कंडीशन ऑफ टेंजेंसी करके वहां बोलता था कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में. वही बात इसमें भी है. एंड लास्टली इफ प्लेन स्टेज outside sphere, then p has to be greater than r. P has to be greater than r. So then shortest distance between them, sd between them, it's like minimum distance of point from a circle in 2D. ये ऊपर है तो ये बीच में डिस्टेंस कितना है? यहां से वहां तक कितना डिस्टेंस है? माइनस रेडियस, दैट इज p minus r. That's all. ओके. सो वैसे ही ये सारे जो है ए ट्रिपली में था, मीन्स पे हटा दिया. बट हो सकता है बिट्स इसमें आपको पूछा जाए. So that is it. We'll stop here. So what is pending is planes. We'll try to finish tomorrow. Right. Thank you. We are ending.